I really like this smart home wall panel because it has a built-in thermometer. It allows for room-by-room temperature control without having thermostats or anything else on my walls. Very clean. However, here in Hungary, it's quite expensive and it's only compatible with its own ecosystem. So I thought it would be a good idea to build a standard open source alternative. I designed the hardware in KiCad. There's a GitHub link in the description if you're interested. I added sensors for temperature, humidity, air pressure, and CO2. The frame is 3D printable and is made with OpenSCAD. Make sure to use a flame retardant filament for printing. The interface is DALI, which is a standard low voltage 2-wire bus. It allows you to connect the wires either way and also gives you the freedom to choose the most practical layout for your site. The front panel can be customized and easily swapped. It supports up to 16 capacitive touch channels. I designed the frame to fit a common European 6 to 8 mm device box. Here's a quick look at the sensor readings. It can recognize many gestures, such as a normal tap, full palm touch, swipe, and custom buttons like shutter control. This is a prototype that is still in development and not ready for consumer use. In order for this to become a DALI device, it needs to be certified by the DALI Alliance.